Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites, Flutter, platform tools, and Firebase project ready. Then add Firebase core and Firebase messaging to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Next, register your Android/iOS app in Firebase console and download Google services, JSON or Google Service Info. List into platform folders. Once done, make sure to apply the platform-specific Gradle and Plist changes so the app can initialize Firebase at launch. This gets you from 0 to a runnable app able to request notification permissions and initialize messaging. You now wire up initialization and token handling. In main, call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized, then Firebase. Initialize app. Once done, create a Firebase messaging instance. Request permissions, especially on iOS, and handle the result so notifications are allowed. Then call Firebase messaging. Instance. Get token to obtain the FCM token and store it in secure storage or send it to your server. Make sure to refresh the token on changes and listen to on token refresh. This ensures devices are addressable and ready to receive messages. You finish by implementing message listeners and user-visible behavior. Use Firebase messaging. On message for foreground, on message opened app for background taps, and get initial message for cold starts. Once done, bridge foreground payloads to Flutter local notifications to display system-style alerts. Make sure to handle data and notification payloads consistently and test with both Android and iOS. If things go wrong, check APN's keys or FCM server key, token validity, and device logs. Often a missing Plist/JSON or invalid certificate stops delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.